Yo, what up? Jesus Christ. Pookie is fucking crazy, bro. What up, Reen? What up, bro? But yeah, Pookie is fucking crazy. It's, it's okay, bro. Yo. Pookie? Are we fucking serious, chat? Are we fucking serious, chat? Yo, what up, Savvy? What up, bro? What up, Raikou? What are y'all working on, bro? What are y'all actually working on right now? Else, no burgers. Bro, those burgers are fire. Look up Bubba. Look, I'll show you guys what Bubba is, bro. Bubba is the best burger brand you can get at the store. This is Bubba Burgers, bro. Bubba Burgers right here. This is what I got right here, but I got the plain. I got these ones, original. These are the best store-bought burgers that you can get, okay? These are authentic burgers, bro. And they're so freaking good. And they're packed with protein. We're talking 25 G's a patty, bruh. 25 G's a patty, bruh. Turn that mug into a triple. Turn that mug into a triple bacon. We're talking 90 G's of protein. And then add the bun in. We're talking 2 triples with bacon. 200 grams of protein, bro. Come on. Come on. Slimy? Are we fucking dead ass? These are the best burgers you can get. Dude, you see, chat's just not hit, bro. Yeah, you'd smash those. I know you would, bro. And from White Castle, that's so bomb. Jesus Christ, dude. X is actually wilding right now. X is actually wilding right now, bro. Alright. What you send to Discord is a burger? Yeah, it's a fucking burger, bro. Are those raw? No, they're not fucking raw, Mafner. Are we fucking dead ass? Mafner's in the Discord chat talking about are they raw, bruh? No, they're not fucking raw. Bro, y'all are hating on the best burgers and the patties was good and the patties? And the patties? Do I need to go get the patties? Do I need to dead ass get the patties, bro? That's crazy. That's crazy. Prison burger is crazy. The way I'm cooking them is actually crazy, bro. You guys do not understand burgers, bro. Like, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Yo, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this slimy burger shit, bro? The burger was... Yo. Oh, chat! Fuck. Damn it. Ah, fucking shit. Thought it was roast beef. Bro, what are you guys talking about? Like, what are you guys talking about? Roast beef? What? Fucking roast beef, bro? Are you dead ass? Can I have a slimy burger? Jeez. Dude. The burger isn't fucking slimy? Okay? I don't know what you think what burger you think you're talking about? Alright? That burger's fire. If one was a burger and one was roast beef, Jesus. Yeah, whatever, dude. It's fucking roast beef. It's fucking rotisserie chicken on a stick, bro. It's rotisserie stick on a chick. Actually, guys, it's rotisserie stick on a chick. It's not even a burger. That's my fault. What I say? What I say? Yeah, what? Yeah, it's rotisserie chicken, guys. I'm sorry. It's fucking. It's sloppy joes, bro. It's fucking sloppy joes, bro. Yeah. All right. Cool. Whatever, dude. Whatever, bro. You guys can't. You guys don't know fucking food. You guys don't know fucking food, dude. Like you guys don't know even. You guys don't know how to eat food. Like I don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all just can't even fucking eat food, dude. Crazy. Crazy. Stealing my own code is crazy. Update lobby, teleports, lobby. I'm not even using this. I thought I called this already. Update lobbies. Lobby.teleport fire. Oh, that's why. Okay, okay, okay. I was getting rid of this. That's why. I was like, what? 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 Teleport connect. Why is it dot connect? Excuse me. How am I doing? I'm good. I'm good now because what am I coding on? Yeah, so like I was saying, I'm good now because I had two awesome burgers in me. Two like super delicious, cooked to perfection burgers, not sloppy burgers in me, not slimy burgers in me. So I'm doing pretty good now. But what am I coding? I'm finishing up the lobby system. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No way I just sat down with the burger I just Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Burgers getting our streamers. Jesus. Fuck the fucking Bubba Burgers. Fucking Bubba Burgers, they're the best burgers you can get at the store. Best burgers you can get at the store. They're the fucking best burgers you can get at the fucking store. What's the game about? Farming. Send a pic in chat so he knows it's a real burger. I've been trying to for hours to fix a glitch that really sucks. Dino. Shit, I just got done gobbled up half of it. Are we talking Bubba though? Are we talking Bubba, the not slimy kind? Original. Literally, these are so fire, bro. Like, this is the #1 burger brand at the store. Easy. I put everything on my burger: onions, lettuce, pickles, mustard, ketchup, cheese. It's like, bro, but yeah, but it's like I eat the burger. Like, that's cool and all, but it's just quicker to just cheese, mustard, ketchup, mayo, but I'm out of mayo right now. I gotta go get some, or else that mug would have some mayo on it. You feel me? Or just mayo and hot sauce is honestly a perfect connection, perfect combination. Take out the mustard and ketchup, so only mayo and hot sauce, and you got yourself a D1 burger. Is railing your literal female clone identical being hated? What the fuck are we talking about, Jesus? That's like past Roblox AI psyop shit. That's like cooked shit, bro. That's past cooked, bro. That's what is past cooked? That's incinerated, dude. Holy fuck. What did I just read in this chat? Ketchup, mustard, burger any day. I'll smack a cheese ketchup. That's what I'm saying, bro. You're telling me you eat just 2 pieces of bread, a burger, hot sauce, and mayo? Yes. Try it. It's fire. Try it. It's fire. I'm not answering the question, Deezer. Let me get this work done, Deezer. Fuck. You're fucking on one, dude. Shit, you guys are fucking cooked, dude. You guys are fucking cooked, dude. Teleport options. Can you send teleport options? Yeah, you can. Like, teleport data. Let's fucking go, dude. How do you teleport options? Okay. Roblox locked. I forgot like how to set teleport options. I think I need to go look at other code. Okay, so we're opening. Fuck. Which is it? Which is it? Which is it? What has teleport options? Oh! God. I think it's this one. Oh. Oh God. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is, bro. There it is, bro. Here it is. Set teleport data. Set teleport data. Job ID. What is job ID? Game.job ID. Is there a job ID, guys? Is there a job ID, guys? I'm gonna call this players data. For every for every player in player's day. I don't know what job ID is. I never saw that. I think that was like some default teleport options I picked up. I don't even know. Coding is for noobs. Facts. 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 The baby is still gonna be born with no skull and. Dude, what is my chat turned into, bro? Like, actually, what is my chat turned into? Player data equals players data. Players data. Layers data. Layers data. And this is gonna be a player. This is gonna be a table that's player key and just like any old shit. But we're gonna have a string key and then just any. We'll just have it any, I think. All right. Boom. Oh my god, guys, I'm at 11 bytes. I gotta turn it down a little bit. I gotta figure out a way to make it like 8 bytes. Dude, what? Dude, what is this chat? Ugh. God. Dude, you guys are fucking wilding in chat, bro. I swear to God. You motherfuckers. If you motherfuckers. What would the result for this be? And actually, like, I don't actually know. For this? Like, I don't know what the result would be. Like, what is this returning? You know what I mean? Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask good old ChatGPT. 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 Uh, dude, what is happening? Yeah, 9 out of 10. Yeah, try 10 out of 10, bro. Like, you're actually wilding. You're actually wilding. Oh, so result is just error. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. So I could just do error instead of result. Because usually result I do if there's an actual result. But here there's not an actual result. So that's why we're going to do that. And I think that covers that. Now I just need to say player data player equals player's data. What what okay. I already know. I'm gonna make this a list and then just worry about it later. Um, I think that's all we need to send for now. Oh yeah. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's all we need to send right now. So this is good. I think I can really stop working on the lobby system now because there's not really anything left for me to do for the lobby other than getting the selected items to pass in player data. But in order for me to do that, I would want to set up that first and then I could just connect it easily. So I might set that up first. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Let's test you know what? Let's get a little crazy and let's test to see if we can run a two-player test and see if our countdown starts. Yo, what up, RZ? Scroll up a bit. I'm getting a headache from like the craziness in chat. Jesus Christ. Fucking just find my zen. 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 Alright. Oh, we got a bug. Fire client can only be called from the server. What is this bug talking about? Oh, is studio. I'm fucking an idiot. The run service, I often am like I always make is studio. It's so easy to get is studio and is server mixed up. It's not like a big deal, but it's just kind of like one of those things where it's like SMH. All right, let's run the test. Let's run the test real quick. Let's see if we're good. Let's see if we're a go and we actually get. Okay, that's awesome. I fucking love it. All right, what's going on here? Attempt to index nil with number. God, God, shit. What is this? What is this doing? This might actually be a freaking issue, dude. Is it getting the right player? It has to. That doesn't make sense for it not to get the right player for this, bro. That's how modules work. So, what's the issue here? Attempt, wait, what? Attempt Attempt to index nil with number. Oh, I see. Okay. I kind of see, but I don't actually kind of see. I kind of know what, I think I actually know what's going on, and that's a big problem. And I kind of don't want to fix it. Unk using Roblox Studio for real couldn't be me. What are you talking about, bro? Because you're a loser? That's actually crazy. By the way, all no. Music company named after me? Wow. So what's happening here? This is so crazy. Because I didn't need to do this in a regular playtest, but for testing with multiple people, I do, which is kind of stupid. But I mean, I understand what's happening, to be honest. Um, and basically, yeah. I feel like that should work. Let's see if that actually works. So basically what's happening is don't have a code that I didn't have something that was updating the client module. So I was adding stuff to the server module, but the client and the server module are separate. Unpack. Wait, what? Unpack number expected got table. What are we talking about? Unpack. Did I do that wrong? No, I didn't. What the fuck? Oh, I see. Number though. What is it talking about number for? Weird. So yeah, I think what it was is the server. Yeah. What's happening? I don't, bro. Chat is going crazy today. I don't even know what they're talking about, honestly. Bunch of buffoonery going on in chat. But basically, what was happening was um, the server. So in the game, your server module, if it's already a table, you shouldn't need to. You shouldn't need the. It's not already a table. Let's see if this works. See, that works now, but we're not getting a picture. Why are we not getting a picture? Maybe it's because like player one and shit. Like, I don't know. All right, so that works for the most part though. But this is not counting down. So if that's not counting down, um, then we gotta fix that real quick. Um, that's not how variadic functions work. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, knock it off, you hooligans. That's facts, bro. Bro thinks he either variadic function. Well, no, that isn't. He's right though. Like the very out of variadic functions are arguments, right? So it's just if the first argument's a table, the first part of the variadic function, like the first, it's gonna be a table, right? But then if you have another argument, that's two tables, and so yeah, like I don't even know how to explain it very well, but check this out. So this is a table, this is a table, this is a table. These all get passed when I call update lobbies, okay? So this is an argument, this is an argument, this is an argument. So that's why I have this right here, table, 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 and I'm using the variadic, and then I'm using table.unpack, just so I don't have to fucking write all of it out. You know what I mean? There's no need for me to write all this out. It would be corny for me to write all this out. There's really no need. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why I chose to use the variadic with the yeah, and I just have the variables like this, and they're just updating, right? I am a pretty lazy dev, bro. Had to have a prime to get that burger down. How did you know that? How did you know that I had drank a prime with that burger? It's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Stalker alert! Stalker alert! Stalker alert! Webcam hacker alert! Webcam hacker alert! Webcam hacker alert! Bro. Alright, so anyways, so we have updating now, but now our count isn't updating. So let's see what that's about. Time left. Update all lobbies. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. That should work. So let's print this out. Should be updating time left. Let's do that. What's our time start off at? It is 12. So it does get our time. So our time is being sent down, but it's not updating for some reason. I have to look and see why. Yeah, update all lobbies. Update all lobbies, and it update all lobbies, fire all clients, and then it re-gets the info. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, this should work. This should work. Um, yeah, this should work. This should work, bro. This should work, bro. This should work, bro. Let's try it. Let's try it. Am I sharing? Let's try it. Bow! And we're not updating. Oh! Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I think I can get rid of this. I don't need to have that warn statement anymore. Catch a baddie? Bro, what is up with you and baddies, bro? You and baddies is like crazy, honestly. All right, let's see what we're working with here. If lobby's teleporting key, if type of lobby's time elapsed doesn't equal huh? Huh? What am I doing here? Huh? Time elapsed, so that is lobby's processing, bro. Duh. And we're actually activating lobby's processing. If lobby's teleporting, let me see when I add the teleporting one, because I don't know, that's a little weird. Lobby's teleporting lobby key. Yeah, so if lobby's time left is less than or equal to 0, then and not lobby's teleporting key, then we put them in lobby's teleporting. So okay. Okay. We're gonna have to do some warns here. We're gonna have to do some warns here. Invalid time left. Time. I don't even need this check, honestly. Like, it's just being overly cautious. If it exists, it's gonna be a number. That's actually kind of corny for me. I'm not even gonna lie. And then if lobby, but I do need this one. This is a check that I do need. Okay. Clean up. Clean that shit up. But then we have time elapsed plus equals step. Time elapsed greater than equal to 1. Time left minus equals 1. So this should be working. Let's try it again. It's testing in studio, right? What do you mean? Paused? Did I pause the stream, bro? Did I pause the stream? Ah, bro, the stream's lit. What are you talking about? No, I accidentally paused it. Oh, you were a goofball, bro. You're a goofball, bro. Goofball ass. Get your goofball ass out of here, bud. All right. Let's see, bro. Let's see if it works. It, but like, I'm genuinely confused. I'm genuinely confused. And I know I'm probably missing something corny, bro. I know I'm probably missing something super corny. But it gets set. It gets set. Let's see where we're adding this exactly. All right, because it gets set. Time elapsed is a thing. There we go, right here. Lobby's processing, time elapsed, timestamp, time left. So this is like valid. This becomes valid. Where do we call lobby start? Where do we call lobby start, bro? Lobby start. You need to become the printing expert. Next hot. Jesus Christ. Your OBS? Like, what are you talking about? Yeah, I set up my OBS. Printing expert is crazy. Like, I can do prints, but I mean, it's just like printing is also can be time consuming. Well, but the thing is, like, we know it's getting initiated. Like, we know it's getting put into the table because we have our time left variable. That gets sent all the way to the client. So then update lobbies gets called, updating our lobby info on the client. So all that stuff is working. It's just when we're here, and this doesn't even print. This doesn't even print. Yeah, I just have no fucking idea. And I think post simulation is the server one, isn't it? This is sumo ball, right? You know what? How is post simulation working on the client? I just realized that. I just fucking realized that. I just realized what the issue is. We're never running we're never running this fucking for loop because I have it in a post simulation. But how is post simulation working on the client? Hold on a second, bro. This is Sumo Bar, right? No, this is a different game that's gonna drop tomorrow, bro. It's yeah, completely different game. Post simulation is the new version of Heartbeat, but that's not true. That's not true because it's running literally on the client. The client code is working. If post simulation if post simulation was the server, we wouldn't be having post simulation run on the fucking client. I'm actually genuinely so confused right now. Am I right or wrong on that, bro? That's so confusing, bro. That's so fucking confusing. Hold on a second. Dude, I need to go to the docs. I'm making a dance battle game. I'm making dance battles, bro. If you guys really want to know, I'm making dance battles. Do you have the opinion on SVH, the game? I don't know what SVH is, bro. All right, so I'm gonna look at the post simulation docs. This is crazy. This is crazy because this doesn't even make any sense. And I should have caught this, but I was just crushing out code so fast. Post simulation. This event is useful for making final adjustments to the outcome of the simulation following this phase. The engine triggers the heartbeat event. the time that current frames has stepped the physics stimulation. Pre-animation. I'm just very dude, I'm actually genuinely flabbergasted right now because our shit is working on the client, but it's not working on the server, and I should have realized this. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wrap all of this inside of my is client here. So run service dot pre simulation connect function. All right, step, and I'm just gonna paste that in there. So that's good. And then I'm gonna wrap all of this in the server one, okay, and I'm just gonna do a heartbeat because I don't understand that. It genuinely is not making sense to me. Because we have if is client running. There's just no way that it could have ran if it wasn't on the client. So post simulation was working on the client. That's what I'm trying to get at right now, guys. Post simulation was working on the client. How if it's supposed to be heartbeat? Like, am I actually retarded? I'm just gonna do a heartbeat, bro. I'm gonna do a fucking heartbeat because I don't understand why that was even a thing. I don't know. I don't trust the new situation. All right, let's see if that's gonna work and see if we fix that up. Oh, so I think slots. Sorry for not tuning in more, bro. I have things going on. You're good, Shiesty. It's all good. It's all love, bro. Where is ever mod messages highlighted except mine? Deezer, because you're crazy, bro. That's why. Because you say crazy shit, bro. That's why. All right. That's why, Deez. That's why, Deez. You be on one, bro. Like you're on crack, bro. All right. Let's try it now. Let's see if it works now. Now what? Now what do we have? What do we have on here, bro? Invalid argument 1 connect. Expect RBX signal got function. Did I do something stupid? Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah, I accidentally did a period instead of a connect. More aura? Intimidating? Yeah, for sure, bro. That's facts. Yeah. You're radiating aura, bro. You're radiating aura so hard that I have to, like, not have your shit highlighted, bro. Like, it's obvious as fuck every time you say something in chat. Because your aura just radiates through the entire fucking screen. Jesus Christ, bro. You guys are unhinged. You guys are actually unhinged, bro. Dude, I have no idea what's going on here. Like, genuinely. Like, I genuinely have no idea what's going on. Alright. We're gonna start printing. We're gonna fucking do it, dude. We're gonna start printing, you guys. I guess. You know. Like, whatever. Alright. Print. Running the motherfucking loop. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Tell ChatGPT to find and fix the bug. You're funny. Well, I wouldn't. It's only I wouldn't a bug like this. I wouldn't rely on ChatGPT. Honestly, like I just feel like So you just gotta. Sometimes you just can't rely on ChatGPT to do shit, bro. Like you really can't. Oh, you know what? I've been looking for shit. I've been looking for shit in the. See, this is what I'm talking about. So we know the. First of all, we know it's running on the server now, right? Like we know it's running. Let's do post simulation. We know it's running. Okay. Now I also forgot that this was supposed to be a thing. All right, now let's try it. All right, I was looking like in the client and not the server for any like prints that we may have missed. XD in the big 2025. That's facts, bro. All right, so let's look. We're gonna set it up now. Let's see if we got any prints and stuff here. Okay, we don't. All right, now we're in trouble. But uh, but the thing is like we know the loop is working. We know this is working, bro. Let's just real quick, bro. Real quick, just test it, just in case, just in case. Oh, what is this? Are you fucking serious? I have no fucking idea what happened, bro. No idea, but I just had to like verify. I had to like log in again. Whatever. I don't even care. All right, let's try it again. We just want to make sure that our shit's working, bro. All right, let's see. Okay, so again, the loop is it's working. All right. Dude, I know I look mad sometimes, but I'm not at all. I'm just tired. And I'm locked in. I'm trying to figure this out. All right, let's lock in. We know the render's working. Now why? Lobby processing? I'm so confused, bro. I'm so confused, genuinely. Let's just warn our Let's warn our table lobby processing, bro. Let's do that. That's a good warn statement. I mean, I thought I'd have this resolved a lot faster, but it looks like not. All right. So, okay. Very weird. So I just figured out what the problem was, but that's so weird because that's not what's that's like impossible, bruh. Like that's literally impossible. All right. Doesn't post simulation give you the fuck? Like, what does post simulation give you? It gives you a number. Literally gives you a number, bro. It gives you step. It gives you delta time. We're adding it. We are adding. Dude, this makes no fucking sense whatsoever. Oh my god. Returns? What are you talking about? I mean, I'm just like trying to focus up on I'm not really like interested in sharing so much. I'm trying to focus up on this like issue I'm having. No, I'm actually getting frustrated. Like I'm not like mad or anything, but I am getting mad as fuck at the same time. So I am mad as hell right now, dude. But it's just there's nothing in the code for this not to be running properly, bro. There's just nothing like yeah, this should be working 1,000%. It's actually frustrating. All right, so we got two people on there. Now let's see what we're printing. Yeah, so it's like, dude, like this is retarded as fuck. All right. So basically what's happening is this time elapsed variable is getting set to 0 constantly. Or it's just not even it's not even incrementing. It's not even incrementing how this is supposed to be incrementing, bro. Like, I mean, it's absolutely fucking insane. I've never had something like this happen before, ever. It's very frustrating. And I know that it might be some stupid, like, it just can't be a stupid error, though, because it just doesn't make any sense. See? Like, these variable names are all correct. Everything's correct, bro. Everything is correct. Like, it just It doesn't make any sense whatsoever that this is not going up as it should. Are we saved? This is absolutely ridiculous. Yo, what up, Maynard? It's actually not complicated. I mean, maybe it is. Maybe it is actually. It's more than it's probably the way it's built is fairly advanced, but it's clean and simple at the same time, right? It's clean and simple at the same time. It's not like complicated. It's really not, but it is like to have for it to be the clean code that it is and how it operates or whatever. It's yeah. That's so weird. So hold on a second, dude. So it's like going back and forth. It like isn't changing. It's changing, but it's not ever reaching one though. Like what? I've never had this issue in my whole life, bro. I've just never had this issue before ever. Is it a post simulation thing? Bro, what are you talking about, X? That's not what we're doing here. All right, what we're doing here is this is for a countdown, okay? This is for a countdown. And our countdown isn't working. So we're never going to be able to get to that point. For some reason, I don't know if you just saw, but this right here is never reaching 1. It's going back and forth from like 0.02 to 0.01. It's just going back and forth, bro. It makes zero fucking sense. I honestly I've never had this issue before. I don't know what the issue could be. I've never had this issue. Bro, GBT is dog shit. I don't think GBT is gonna know the answer. Like you have to know when to not use GBT and when to use GBT, bro. I think if I ask GBT, I'm just gonna get more and more pissed because it's gonna give me the wrong fucking answer. But yeah, this is crazy. I don't know why this is. What is this, bro? Why did Roblox need me to authorize, bro? Like, what is that? That shit's ass too. And Deezer, we be asking ChatGPT stuff all the time. I know there's no shame in asking ChatGPT, but just for your amusement, bro, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Let's see what shitty fucking. Let's see what it says, bro. What? This is what I'm saying, bro. This is what I'm saying, all right? No, no, no. This is a good learning experience for people that think ChatGPT is awesome, all right? ChatGPT doesn't know fucking shit what it's talking about for this problem, all right? Oh my god, bro. Look, look at this. I gave it the code. I said, and then it wants to say you're seeing time elapsed bounce between 0.01 and 0.02 because you're setting it to 0 every frame where time elapsed is greater or equal to 1. It is not constantly being hit. This is the issue, bro. This is the issue. ChatGPT is wrong right now because it doesn't fully understand my problem. Now I'm in a situation where I now have to go back and forth with ChatGPT until ChatGPT understands what the fuck I'm talking about. Yo, yo, this guy thinks he's like this guy thinks he's like the best vibe coder in chat right now, bro. Bro, expecting the robot to be a slave. Yo, Jesus fucking Christ. You guys are actually rage baiting me right now, bro. That's so fucking crazy. Jesus Christ, dude. You guys are literally rage baiting right now. Yo, dude, ain't no sleep. You're not the fucking messiah, bro. All right? Like, you're not coming up with new fucking intelligence, dude. Like, you're not coming up with new strategies that nobody ever thought about, okay? All right. Yeah, yeah. Fucking Jesus, bro. Yo, what up, Smirkle? What do you use to send and receive remotes? It's not the remotes that aren't working, bro. It's not ever. Okay. Let's just not use step. Maybe step isn't what we want to use. Maybe step isn't what we want to use. Maybe step isn't what we want to use. Maybe we'll just create our own step number. Can you ban words in chat? I think you can. I never even thought of that, bro. I never even thought of banning words in chat. I should have that set up. Dude, I don't even know how to explain it at this point, bro. I've never in a million years had this issue before. And I know it's probably something that I'm just not even thinking about. Yeah, this is crazy. I have to be setting it somewhere else. Like, what is going on, bro? Oh my god, that is so toxic. Oh my god. We are resetting the lobby processing info every single frame. Come! Ah, fucking shit. Roid Rage? Yeah, bro. He got 400k subs, but his vids barely reached 500. Our old videos are just private, copyright reasons. What are we talking about? Fuck. Bro, I can't believe that. All right, so now what do we do? What do we do, bro? Oh wait, lobbies, string, boolean. Where is that, bro? Number boolean, not string boolean. What is that? What is that? What is that, bro? Why does it think? Yeah, I'm confused as fuck at this point. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. What the fuck is happening, bruh? It's trying to start it every single time, and I don't want it to do that. So I mean, a quick fix would just be like if lobbies processing lobby key, then return. That would be the quick fix. If this fucking fixes it, bro, I'm gonna freaking lose my shit. I'm gonna freaking lose it, bro. I'm gonna freaking lose it. Let us see the screen, bro. All right, Shiesty. I think I just fixed it, but I would have. I think I want it to act differently. I think I want it to act a little differently. Cause like I don't know that I want it to be that way. Yeah, I fixed it. Oh my god, I'm so fucking retarded, bro. This is what I get for busting out fucking amazing code in an hour. It works! All right, bro, the lobby's like done. The lobby is actually done, so we can move on from the fucking lobby now. Awesome. Now that that's over with, we can start on a shop. All right, what shop should we start on first? What is going on in chat, bro? My friend Deezer is blah blah blah. Let me hop in, bro. I don't know if you're in the stream, bro, but let me hop in, dude, because you don't even know what the fuck you doing, dude. You little goofball ass dude. You little goofball ass dude. Delay? What are you talking about, delay, bro? What are you talking about, delay? Don't what, dude? It's not gonna fucking delay the stream, dude. Freaking goofball. You freaking goof nut. Now, where's Rivals at? No, it doesn't. Just watch, dude. Fucking know what I'm talking about. Just watch. Delay. Is it delayed? Is the stream delayed, guys? Did I fuck up? I'm not gonna play the thick of it, dude. God dang it. God freaking dang it, man. Delayed 5 seconds is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, what the fuck is this? Yo, dude, look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Did you see the emote shop? Check that out, bro. That shit looks lit. Yeah, that shit looks lit, and it'll be so easy to do. Although I don't know how to fucking back out of it. God damn it. Oh, the back button. Got you. Although I really don't know how to back out of the, oh, the leave button. Okay, got you. Yeah, bro. I just like really love how their shit is set up. It's so, and honestly, I think that has a lot to do with how the game does so well is because of the UX experience, bro, honestly. Like it's just so good. Like just very, very clean UX and UI. Can you show it already? Show what, bro? The game? Not yet. Not yet, bro. I just wasn't able to get that much work done the last 2 days, so. But tomorrow we're gonna be testing. If I can get this shop done today. If I can get this shop done today, we're gonna be testing tomorrow for sure. In case you didn't know, we're just looking at your face right now. Yeah, I know, bro. I'm in Rivals. I was just looking at Rivals. Um, yeah, I'm just in Rivals, bro. I'm looking at their UI setup and shit. It's like super clean. That's cool, bro. That's cool. Dude, their shit is so clean. Now the issue with a lot of it is that people think they need their UI and their experience to be this clean. You dead don't. Like, but it is definitely super cool to have. But I could make this exact situation just in my own style, which is what I'm gonna do. But I love that every little bit of this is so fucking clean, dude. I love it. Really, really nice UI. This is my favorite UI in all of Roblox. Why would you, bro? Why would you what? Why can't I say anything feet related? Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah, that's wild. Windows 11. Dude, this is literally like, I want you guys to kind of pay attention, right? This is the best lobby in Roblox, hands down. Like, this is the best lobby in Roblox, hands fucking down, bro. Hands fucking down. It's lobbies like this. Maybe this, I think this is genuinely the best lobby in Roblox, hands down. Like, easy as fuck. There are other lobbies that have a very similar setup, but when we're talking in terms of like design, assets, just style, cleanliness, load, like details only where it matters, low detail where it matters. It's just, dude, it's perfect. This is the perfect fucking lobby. It's perfect, bro. Holy shit. And other games that do it like this do really well too. And I have seen other games that that try to do a similar lobby, but they fail because it's like you jump in and it's a similar situation. You just don't know exactly where to go. Like this right here, you spawn right here with arrows pointing and a hallway. Like, this is the only place for me to go unless I want to check this out and check this out. But it's just so clear where to go. And it's so clear, dude. On God, Minecraft servers are wild. What about Minecraft? You didn't know where to go? Well, you don't play Roblox. Honestly, you might just be a fucking idiot, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But you don't play Roblox, so you don't play Roblox. You don't play Roblox, so it's fine. Dude, if you don't know where to go in this lobby, I just don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Fuck. Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna make UI just like this, but just my own kind of style-ish. Like, I don't want to do a fucking exact copy, you know what I mean? But like with the play button, I'm not gonna do profiles here yet. Like, but with the play button and then the UI down here, I think will be later we can do all this extra fucking shit that we don't need. But yeah, just like a shop button, settings button, and then I'll have the top bar UI, that sort of thing. Don't remove the I from lobby at 3 a.m. What are we talking about? Pressure the lobby, you're not locked in. Get off rivals. Dude, I'm locked in, bro. I'm checking rivals design. Should we shit on some kids, bro? Should we shit on some kids? There, let's shit on some kids. Let's just do the default. Let's just do the default, bro. Oh, docs? They pick docs? Really? I fucking hate docs. Alright, bro. We're locked. We're so locked, bro. L from lobby? What do you mean L from lobby? Is there a sprint in here or is it just default? Oh my god, you're getting shitted on. I own you. Wait, how do I nade it? Nade out. Fuck. Nade out. Wait. Nade out, nade out, nade out. Oh, it's a timer. It's a timer. I only have one nade. Fuck. I own you. I own you. Did my teammate just kill them all? I know I dealt like most of the damage though. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck, bro. How many kills did I got an assist. I got an assist. By the way, do you hold shift using your thumb? What? Yeah. Yeah. They're scared. They're about to leave. They're about to rage quit. I can feel them rage quitting right now. They're fucking scared as shit, dude. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I don't have sound on, so I didn't know where he was. My teammate's down, but it's fine. I got this. Easy. 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 Light work. Light work. I don't have sound, so I can't hear. Where the fuck is this guy? Like, actually, where is this guy, bruh? Is he hiding? I bet you he's fucking hiding, bruh. I bet you he's fucking hiding, bruh. What do you mean lost? Was he fucking hiding? What? I need to turn. What the fuck was he doing? He literally was hiding. Nah, 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 bro. See, he was hiding, bro. That was the gayest shit ever. Nah, 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 nah. That was gay as fuck, bro. There ain't no fucking way. Let me turn my fucking headphones on. Let me turn my fucking headphones on, bro, because there ain't no fucking way, bro. Where's the sound? Where's the fucking sound? Where's the sound? Where's the sound? My guy. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. How am I blind, bro? He literally was hiding, bro. Fucking nerd. He's scared as hell. Because they know they're about to get fucking whooped. Look, they're still hiding, bro. I can hear him. They're literally... I promise you they're hiding right now. And my teammate rage quit? And my teammate just rage quit, bro. Alright. Alright, bro. This guy's AFK. This guy's actually AFK. Holy shit. How do I leave? How do I leave? What are you talking about? My headphones weren't working. My headphones weren't working, bro. Fucking I'm shit. I'm shit. Are you dead ass? Nah, like you can't be real, bro. Yo, thanks for the follow. Alright. Damn. Let me just press. Yeah, we gotta add that search feature too, bro. That lobby system is so lit. And I can just reuse, I can just keep reusing that too for other games. That's lit. I'm shit, he says, bro. You're crazy. That's actually nuts. Yeah, what up, yay? Whatever, bro. I mean, like, what do you mean my brain wasn't either, bro? What do you mean, dude? Duel canceled? Can we get some players, dude? I'm about to join a different fucking game, bro. Okay, dude. Alright, bro. Like, fucking Jesus, dude. This game is like... I just can't. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's shit on some noobs, bro. Shit on some noobs. What are you on Roblox Studio? Like, what do you mean? I mean, I'm just playing Rivals right now for like 2 seconds. And then we're gonna hop back in Stew. Easy. These guys are easy. These guys are gonna be so easy. Playground. 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 Alright, these guys are gonna be dead ass easy as fuck, dude. They're gonna rage quit. These guys are gonna so rage quit, bro. Fuck. Need to help my teammate! Need to help my teammate! Get fucked! Get fucked! Let's fucking go! Shit on. Shit on. Actually, shit on, dude. The fuck was that? Shit on. Shit on. Easy. Rage quit. Easy. Let's go, dude. Easy rage quit. Easy. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Dude doesn't know he's challenging, bro. Dude does not know who he's freaking challenging. He rage quit. He actually rage quit. They're asking for keys in chat. That's crazy. Wait. Wait. Hold on a second. Yo, what up, Deceived? Live is muted. What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? It's not muted. Dude, Battlegrounds again, bro? Dude, look at these guys. They're ready to get ready to rage quit. Look at these guys get ready to rage quit, bro. Bro, what? Yo, back off. Back off, bro. He's got meta. He's got meta. Get fucked. Fuck, fuck, fuck! No! You're such a fucking good. Bro, he's got meta, bro. He's got meta. He's using fucking meta, bro. Like, what is he doing? Dodge. Get out of there. Dude, what am I getting shot with? I'm getting like so much damage dealt. Dude, this guy's actually a fucking like what the how did they win that? Wait, we won that. Alright, alright, alright. Bro, what? You're chasing me? Why are you chasing me? I'm getting fucked. I'm getting targeted. Get fucked. Alright. What the fuck are these nades, bro? Thank God. W teammate, bro. W teammate. Oh my God, this game is actually crazy. Dude, where are they? Like, I'm trying to help you, bro, but I can't find them. Bro, what? Yo. Yo, dude, these kids are unreal. These kids are unfucking real, dude. Get off my ass. Get off my ass. Fucking Jesus. Like, bro, oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Would you fucking do something? Ah! Dude. Don't be ashamed of my skill issue. Well, dude, it's like, bro, there's no way. They're using aimbot, obviously. Like, they're clearly using aimbot, bro. Oh, that's my teammate. Yeah, get fucked, bro. Not so big now, are you? Fucking, yeah, get out of here, dude. Get out of our lobby, dude. What the fuck are these flashbangs, dude? Fuck. Dude, I hate the mechanics in this game. They're actually so terrible. Like, the movement in this game is actually dog shit. Get fucked. Where is he? Oh, we won. Easy, bro, easy. Weird. Oh, they rage quit. They rage quit. It's too easy, bro. Get out of my freaking lobby, dude. Get fucking owned, bro. Look, he's trying to get his win back. Was that him? He was trying to get his win back. Total noob. Alright, let's get out of here. Cannot see the game. Oh, you couldn't see me shitting on those kids. That's crazy. Alright, my bad. My bad, chat. I wish y'all could have been there to see that. That was lit. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, dude. Are we fucking grinding again? Are we back to the old grind, bro? Fuck. What's a good name for this? Shop manager. Hmm. coding and feeding yourself. You fucking eat, bro. Get off the code and you eat, dude. Simple. Things don't need to be complicated, bro. It's pretty fucking simple, dude, when you think about it. How do you fucking eat? You just fucking eat. You feel me? Fucking eat, dude. Just fucking eat, dude. Whoa. Stop following me. Whoa. I'm in the big following me. Whoa. I am too hot for the bin and whoa. All right, so I do need workspace. I don't think I need run service. I don't think I need HTTP service either, but maybe. I don't think I need run service either, but maybe, so we'll keep it. We'll keep run service. Did you finally stop using knit? Yeah, 8, I did. I don't use knit. I mean, it's still on my other projects, so when I go back to the other projects, like I'll use it, but I'm no longer like going to be using it, you know what I mean? And I got to say I love it. So I made this like lobby class. Holy fuck. I made this lobby class. Not even a class because it doesn't use inheritance, so it's really just a lobby module. But it works on the server and the client, so it's got all the code right then and there. And so my code for the server and client components for it are like super minimal. Like I initiate it and then I just update it and then I initiate it and then connect to my events that I need, and then yeah, and that's really it, bro. And it's super lovely. I actually like that better than knit, to be honest, if I'm keeping it a buck.
Cheat, verbally assaulted, demoralized, completely controlled shorties, trajectories. So shorties, once they're through with me,
What was I doing, bro? I forgot. Fucking Jesus. Trying to think of how I want to do this, bro. I don't even know if I want to make a shop module, to be honest. I don't even know if it's necessary. I mean, maybe just for purchasing shit. Yeah, for purchasing and then game passes, yeah. Keep it all in one place and then just do the like clean little code on the surface, I guess. Marketplace service. Nice, bro. All right, bet, bro. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. Let me go steal some code though from one of my games. What am I doing wrong here, bro? Oh, I see. There's no need for me to pass in the argument, I guess, because of this right here. I mean, I have videos, bro, if you want to check those out. Oh my God. All right, bro, do it. Just call it T, bro. If that shit's just T, just call it T, bro. You're crazy. Is the receipt a number in a is the receipt a number? Started what? What are y'all talking about? How experienced in scripting would you rate yourself? Me, Sabi? That's a good question. I honestly, Sabi, like the best answer that I can give you is I just don't care. Like that's the best answer I can give you, bro, because I don't adapt, like I don't have the mindset of caring where I'm at as a programmer because where I'm at as a programmer isn't gonna matter or determine me reaching my goal or not. You know what I mean? So, like that's legit. Yeah, like that's legit like the best thing I can say, bro, because I just don't really give a fuck about that. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. And also, like, we could sit here and say, like, oh, let's say, like, I hyper focused it. I just never would want to. I never would want to reach a super high level in programming. But let's say I hyper focused on programming for like a few years. I still wouldn't be even close to the level of like the best programmers I've ever worked with. I wouldn't even be near their level. So it's just crazy, bro. Like, I don't know. I just don't care about that stuff. And I think that you shouldn't compare yourself to any other programmer, really. Everybody has their own journey and experience. And there's always going to be people 1,000 times better than you at programming, bro. I mean, truthfully. So I just don't think it makes sense. But if I'm comparing myself to say the best programmer I've ever worked with, and I had to put myself on a scale against him, like a fucking three, bro. Like dead ass, a three, and that's being generous. Just Google it, Steph. But yeah, like I don't know, bro. I think it's weird. I can kind of see how it happens. I can kind of see how it happens, especially in the Roblox space. But like people adopt this mindset of like people adopt this mindset of like this, I don't know what to call it, but they get this like really crazy ego from programming and like how much they know and all that sort of stuff. Um so I don't know. But I think it's toxic, and how I think about it is like no matter what you do, like the only people who will ever care about how good you are at programming are other people that are also wrapped up in their weird ego. Like people that are not wrapped up in their weird ego and at a very like, advanced level of coding, or maybe even some intermediate guys act like that, bro, and it's weird. You know? Like they're I would say the intermediate ones are like at their start of that ego journey. But only other people that are wrapped up in that ego are gonna also care. And so if you kind of realize that, you're just like, what the fuck is the point? You know what I mean? Like it's goofy. It's really goofy. So I just don't think you should ever rate yourself. I don't think you should ever compare yourself. Especially in like programming. Yeah, I just don't think it makes sense. But the main reason is my goal doesn't my me reaching my goal program, like how good I am at programming isn't going to like really determine if I reach my goal or not. Putting out products is. Putting out games is. And I could still be a really shit programmer, which I would consider I'm I'm fairly shit at a lot of stuff. So, yeah, like but I can still put out games, you know what I mean? So, yeah. I think that's the most important thing is can you put out games? Are you reaching your goals or not? And I've never met somebody who like did care so much about becoming like a super high level of programming that it actually like fulfilled them as a person. I've never met a programmer like that ever. Now, I've met programmers that by default are like geniuses and just by default pick up fucking code and shit like it's nothing and like are just wicked fucking geniuses when it comes to this shit. But that's not their like core focus though, you know, like that's still not their like life. So it's a very interesting thing. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. I don't know how to explain that. I hope that made sense. But like right here, I'm still new to using types, so like I don't know. I want to say this is where you put the arguments you get. Yeah, this is where you put the arguments that you pass through, and then this is if you're returning any arguments. But it's like stuff like that, you know what I mean? But again, you can like look that shit up on Google and shit. Like that doesn't really determine, I feel like at the same time that doesn't really determine if you're a good programmer or not. I think also your ability to look shit up plays a big factor in how good you are at programming. Your ability to like look shit up and filter through information and understand what you should be focusing on versus what's pointless to focus on. That within itself is a very is a skill outside of programming, but is very much so used in programming. It's a big part of programming, the ability to like filter out shit like that, like what's important and what's not important. All right, Dino. Peace out, bro. I might be. I might be. Dude, I don't know what I was doing here, but this works, so I'm not even gonna. I just copied and pasted my shit from another script, so I just don't even care. I'm gonna keep it in here. That's for the all the receipt shit. Um Now since I'm not using knit, I know how I would do this with knit. Since I'm not using knit, I am go that's what I'm gonna do. Am I? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. That makes sense, I think. I was thinking on how to add in the buying and then also data. So I don't want to make an unneeded mess for myself, basically. Because I feel like that could happen here if I'm not careful. But I think we got it. I think I got what I'm thinking about. All right. Okay, so purchase item is going to be an event used from the client. We're going to send to the server. So, um, what I'm going to do here, this is also a lot. Uh, yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Init server. Init server. We're just going to separate them completely because this is a lot. This is a lot right here. And then we'll just do if run service is clients is server, return. All right, and then we'll have another function that is for the init client, and then we'll run stuff like if run service. We actually don't need to use this. We don't need to use this because it's the client. All right, so now, um, we do need. Yo, what up? 18 hours. So what we're gonna do here is, what is our event called? Shop dot purchase item equals purchase item. So that's so we can call from the client. And then what we're gonna do here is if run service is server, then purchase item dot on server event connect function. And then we'll have item name. Okay. And so that's for like if we have currency and stuff. All right. But we're going to be pulling from this. So we're actually not going to do it here. We're actually not going to do it here because what I want to do is I want to try this out. I want to try not communicating between modules and see if it creates a more clean experience. Because I'm used to communicating between modules with init. So I want to stay away from that and see how it goes. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to pull that. This is what we're going to do. Shop.init server, shop.purchase item, connect function, player, item name. All right. So that's going to be where our purchase is, because then we can also get our currency. Classes dot currency. And then now we can get the item info as well. So we're going to have items here in the config. What are we going to name it though? We'll just name this shop items. So then we want config. And then we have item info. Well, first of all, we can do like just our little checks. Yo, what up? What up, Unu, whatever. Learn code. Watch my beginner scripting playlist. That's where to start. Watch that and stay on that playlist for a few months, honestly, until at minimum 30 minutes a day, until you start having those clicking moments, and then it's a snowball effect from there. So now what we're gonna do is item info. And we're gonna have, yeah, no worries, bro. What is this? Is this showing my screen? Okay. We're gonna have shop items, item name, if type of item info is not equal table, then return. And then we're gonna have oh shit, dude. Okay, so what are we doing here? All right. And then we'll have local costs. We'll have item cost equals item info.cost. Item cost does not equal number, then error. Okay. Just because I feel like if that'd be a data entry thing on my point, and I'd have to like go through and fix it. And so that just tells me real quick if that were to ever happen. Not that it really would, but just that if it were to ever happen, I would know instantly. So that's why I did it like that. W tattoos, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. So now we're gonna get the player currency equals currency get currency by user ID. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. All right, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. How did I do it already? Because I know I have something set up. I don't. All right, so function currency get currency by user ID player. Oh shit, no, we're doing user ID. We could do player. When is this currency ever going to be put out into all other players? This is something that's private to each player. So we could just use player. I like to use user ID a lot because it's just like uh you can send, so you can't anything if you're using player as keys, you're not going to be able to send that to the client. So that's why you use user IDs for certain things, so that you can send that info down to the client and be able to then get the player from the info from the user ID. That's just how it works. What the heck is bro coding in VS Code? Are you actually, is that a serious question, bro? Because it is superior. That is why it's superior in every single way. And then we'll have if type of does not equal number, then return if player currency is greater or equal to item cost, then currency subtract player currency dot subtract. Yo, what up, Salmon? I didn't even see you in there. And then we do need the currency type and the amount as well. And then we could return the before and after if we wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. I don't care. All right, so his server, fuck. I don't think I need to put this here. I really don't, but I'm just going to anyways. It's not going to hurt anything. Subtract. Subtract. Tickets. Item cost. All right, sounds good, ZY. That's facts, bro. You're so right. I be fucking my shit up, don't I? It's so easy for me to do. Yo, what up, Angel? Oh my god, I'm back to Pookie. Okay. I don't even have the energy to crash out on you right now. The progress is good. We're done with the lobby. And we tested the lobby and everything. And yeah. We're good. We're smooth sailing, bro. We started the shop. We got our process receipt in. It's the only thing we would do with our process receipt now is just add in the functions for processing each you know, ID or whatever. And right now I'm adding in the purchase item, right? So I'm right here. So now it would be add item to player data, and then yeah. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. Process receipt is the most shit ass function ever, especially when Roblox fails to tell you you can only use it once in the entire game. What do you mean by that? I'm having trouble understanding in your words. I'm also like incredibly fucking out of it and tired as fuck. Hold on. All right, here we go. What did you mean by that? Because I mean, I don't know, bro. I'm just like, whatever. This is what I have here for process receipt, and it works. So yeah, and then I just set these up, my functions, and then I have it right here. See? So yeah, that's how I set up process receipt, bro. I can't even explain it that well, but yeah, I set this up a long time ago, honestly. I haven't touched it since. I just use the same shit and it works. Hasn't broken yet. At the bottom, it tells you this can only be done once by one script on the server. Oh, like you can't make the connection anywhere else. Yeah, that's if that's what you mean, then I don't think that's a problem. I think it's like whatever. Yeah. And you don't like that, bro? You'd rather use it in two different places? I don't see the need, to be honest. All right. Then I think I think this is good for right now. The next thing I would work on is the client stuff. But I feel like this is good for right now. And yeah, this should be good for right now. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna have that. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna set up shop items, honestly. The config for this could be, I want to keep it simple. I don't really want to use categories, honestly. I'd rather just use a category value. But categories also might be better. Maybe I should use categories. I'll probably end up using categories, bro. Where's shop items at? Um, dude, where the fuck is my coffee? Oh shit. Yeah, so I'll probably just have like category and then item name and then values. Values. That's what I'll probably do. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. And then I could send the category from the client also. Category name. I think I'll do that. Category type, I like to call it. And then we'll do like that. Yeah, I like that. What game am I making? A farming game. Yo, what up? What up, NB? Yeah, farming game. A dance farming game. All right, this is a good start. Where am I at with this? Oh, I haven't even started the shop yet. Fuck, I haven't even started the shop controller, bro. I want to take a break, but I want to get this done too. Yeah, once the shop is like almost done, bro, it's smooth sailing. Like I'll have the game out in a few hours, like ready in a few hours type shit. I am just gonna get it started though. What up, Capybara? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm partnered with somebody on this project right now. He's doing the animations, building, and then models. And I'm doing the programming and UI. You're so fucking dumb, bro. I don't know, bro. Some chick that's in my Discord server, Emma. Tutorial. Yeah, just slot ball is crazy. Yeah, just go through my videos, bro. I have a lot. There's like 1 hour long video on UI. So if you watch that, you'll like become a UI master low key. At least for designing UI for all platforms to where it's visible and looks good on all platforms. So if you watch all that, it's actually a really good video. The UI I'm making it is shit, but obviously like the designer is up to the person designing it. But understanding how to make UI good and look well on all platforms is something a lot of people don't know. And still in like first page games, you see like UI that's just not really that good for all platforms. But yeah, anyways, that girl is yours, bro. That's really fucking crazy of you to say that. Um, yeah. Thanks for this sub, yep. How to get a girlfriend is crazy. Bro, the best advice I can offer to that is understand how to control the energy that you're putting out. And it's really an aura type of situation, bro. Like I'm not even kidding. It That's how I can best like describe it. Understand how to control the energy that you're putting out. Okay? What is the energy? What That's crazy. That's actually crazy. But what's the number one energy that attracts uh females is um like a mix of like charming and doesn't care, right? Like I don't care. Like you have to figure out how to say with just your body and your and the energy you're putting out without verbally saying it that you don't care and you're not affected if they don't like you or not. And that's so if you can master that while showing interest, that's how you're gonna succeed in getting the girl you want, bro. Magnetic. They are made of metal. Wait, what? What are you talking about? But yeah, I'm just getting the fucking client side of this ready so I can get off. All right, I'm gonna take a break, guys. I need to take a break. So I will see you guys another time. But yeah, I gotta go to the store and then I think I'm gonna try and take a nap here, dude. And I also gotta clean, so fuck. The workspace on the game. I mean, there's really nothing to show until tomorrow. Like I'll be able to show you guys a lot tomorrow probably. Um so as long as I wow, a lot of W streams and buys. Thanks guys. Thanks Sabi. See you later, Sabi. Peace out, Dexter. Deceived. Peace out. Alec. Peace out. Angel. Peace out. Yeah. Peace out. Um. Hell yeah, bro. I forgot what I was saying, but yeah. All right. Thanks, Shadow, bro. Appreciate that, man. All right. Have a good evening, everybody.